saving your own seeds is a great way to not only catch the characteristics of the plants that's growing in your particular growing area, but also to save money. We've got our pole bean trellis here, and whether you have forgotten to harvest the beans from last fall, or you have allowed them and just got away from you and they're drying or have dried on the trellis, now you can still use them. Beans in the natural world state of non-gardening, that is growing naturally, they're going to hang on the vine as they are here, and when they dry, they'll pop out of the pods, root, and grow again. So go ahead and let these seeds, if they are still hanging on your trellis at this point of the year, if they are a little not quite dry, you can harvest them, bring them inside, open the pods up, put the beans on a plate in an indirect, non-windy area, and let them dry naturally. And you can go ahead and plant them at the proper time for your growing area.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.